Hello viewers, our computer system upgrades itself regularly. However, many times it doesn't update itself automatically. So through this video, you will be enabled to get know all apps and software status, its current version and its available version on web. Furthermore, you can upgrade your system accordingly. This is the best tip to keep your system health fit. Now on screen please. Now we are on PC desktop. Go to search and click CMD or command prompt. Select it, and after clicking this type of interface appears. So type WINGET UP up GRADE upgrade. So after writing winget upgrade, this type of interface appears and it's automatically start counts. Now the website is also available if you would like to read about this all these details. So let me click Microsoft website, click English, and you may read the term and condition which is available. Now type Y from your keyboard if you would like to proceed. Now this type of window appears. Now under ID, the software name or details, and next is version with yellow arrow which is currently installed. Next is available updated version of the same. So through this way you can get know about any update or missing update if you would like to update it. Now once again go and type winget upgrade dash dash all. So this is also called hyphen or minus sign from your keyboard. After typing, click enter, and now the system will start upgradation by itself one by one. So each time a window will appear and you will click yes, no to proceed further. Now it's updating all 8 mentioned softwares. This type of window will appear, click yes, and after that next, next, next. And now 2 of 7 has been done. You can also see below the MBs which is consumed. You can also terminate the process in case if desired. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.